Welcome to the Boss Fire Protection Fire Suppression Safety Orientation. In this series of programs, we will look at your critical fire suppression components and their maintenance to ensure your system is operating at peak efficiency, protecting your workplace. Understanding the ABC fire extinguisher. ABC fire extinguishers must always be on the path of egress or on the way to an exit. They are equipped with several components that help you monitor whether the extinguisher should be pulled out of service. The first is a gauge, showing a red and green area on the gauge. Your extinguisher must be in the green to remain operable. The second component is the pull pin. The pull pin protects against accidental discharge of the extinguisher. The third is the tamper seal. The tamper seal ensures that the extinguisher hasn't been used. Once the extinguisher is discharged, the tamper seal will break, and the extinguisher must be taken out of service and replaced. Additionally, the tamper seal should be replaced after each annual inspection. The last component is the inspection tag, showing the last date of inspection performed by your fire suppression inspector. Each ABC fire extinguisher must be tested annually, followed by a 6-year internal maintenance testing and a 12-year hydro testing. You must carry the proper license to service or inspect the fire suppression system. Any alterations can cause accidental system actuation or improper function in the event of a fire. This video is for educational purposes only and presented to help our customers understand their system and how it is designed to operate. For more information, always call your licensed service provider. If you have any questions or would like to get your system inspected, please reach out to Boss Fire Protection at 972-704-1821 or email us at boss@bossfireprotection.com.